What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle, and if you've never been here before, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Nuance by Salma Hayek Cosmetics. And I've never actually used these products before, even though I have had them for over a year. So I wanted to go ahead and give them a try, and I figured why not do it on camera. The first product that I used was the Blur Perfection Primer, and honestly, it was pretty greasy. It didn't do anything for keeping my makeup on. It didn't give me any kind of lasting effects. It didn't really do anything at all for my makeup. And of course, I used her foundation with it. So I would think that that would, be formulated to go with her foundation. But yeah, maybe it's just not for me. But I wasn't a fan of it. Then I went in with the Smoke Signals palette. And I did not feel like this makeup or this eyeshadow was pigmented at all, very much at all. I had to put a lot of this shadow on. I had to go back over and over and over again to build up the color because it was just really pretty translucent, even though I put on a eyeshadow primer. So, I don't know. I mean, there's definitely better options out there for drugstore makeup, and not that you can even find these products anymore. I mean, this is really an old or a way past due review because this makeup isn't even for sale anymore. But these are just my opinions on it, so let's just keep rolling. Then I went ahead and used a concealer. She didn't have a concealer there when I bought these products, so I don't have one that is part of her line, but I went in with the concealer that I already had and kind of did a cut crease on half my eyelid. Then I added that lighter color to the inner corner of my eyelid where I put the concealer, and then followed that up with that greenish color to kind of blend the lighter color with the darker navy color. Then I used her liner in black, and I really do like this liner. I felt like the liner, it has a really good pigment, and it's pretty smooth going across my eye when I'm using it. Then I went in with her foundation, and I had two different colors. I wasn't sure which one would work for me, so I just kind of put one on one cheek and one on the other, and I ended up mixing them together, and that was what I found was kind of the best option for me. And again, she didn't have a concealer in her line, so I used my own, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend all of that out. Next, I went in with her Contour and Illuminate Duo palette, and this is basically just a cream contour and a cream highlight, and I really like this product. The consistency was really creamy. It was easy to blend. I didn't have any issues with it. I think the formula for both products in this duo are really great, but the highlight was pretty subtle. So if you're someone who likes a really subtle, natural looking highlight, then this is something that you would really like because it's not going to give you that pop of shimmer, but it is going to give you just a subtle, natural, highlighted, luminous effect. Next, I went in with my own powder, and I just kind of swept it on as opposed to baking with it because I wanted a really natural look. I didn't want, a super dramatic under eye. So I just kind of swept that all over my face in the lighter areas, and then I'm going in with her Illuminating Blush and Bronzer Duo palette. And I'm just going to put the bronzer in all the areas that I had already contoured and use the blush as I normally would. And as you can see, the blush was very pigmented. I mean, like, it was gorgeous. Then I just take an angled brush and that navy color one more time and use that to line my lower lash line. Then I went back with the green color and used that one to just smoke it out a little bit more. hindsight being 2020, I kind of do wish that I had taken that black liner and lined my waterline, but I digress. So then I went in with the Volumizing Mascara, and I used that on both my top and lower lashes. For me, that cream highlight was a little bit too subtle, so I just added a little bit of my own highlighter on top. Then I went ahead and spritzed my entire face with Fix Plus. And I have quite a few of her lipsticks, but I went with the Moisture Rich formula in the color Breath Pink. And I really like the color. It's really pretty, but I'm just going to leave this right here. I feel like the look on my face says it all. I was like super shocked that it would just snap in half like that. I was not being really heavy-handed with it or doing anything that I wouldn't normally do with a lipstick. But, you know, it is what it is. So I just popped that thing back down in there and kept it pushing. And then I finished up with NYX Butter Gloss in Eclair, and that completed the look. Let me know how you think this look turned out in the comments down below. Also, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And my overall thoughts about this makeup were that there were some things that I liked, some things that I didn't. But overall, I don't think that I would buy probably any of it again, with the exception of the blush and bronzing palette. I did like that. But again, guys, let me know how you like this video. If you tried this makeup, let me know what you thought about it. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe by clicking my face on the left hand side. If you want to see some of my other recent videos, click one of those boxes on the right, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!